Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome everyone. Good morning to One Podcast. This time we will discuss about information technology. As we know, today technology is very important. All aspects of our lives have been integrated with technology. Of course, this is the reason why many people enter the informatic technology, because they say the prospects in this field are very bright in the future. Really? Will be answered later. Okay, here we have two guests who are students majoring in informatic technology at Siliwangi University. Has come with us Haki and Ajeng. Okay, how are you, Haki and Ajeng?
Okay, yeah, Fatur. I'm fine, thank you.
I'm good, thank you for asking.
At this meeting, we will discuss about informatic technology, which is related of your major, of course. But before that, I want to ask you, what do you want? What do you want to be in the future?
Of course, if I have graduated from study, I want to become an IT expert. Precisely, I want to become a system analyst.
Oh, yes, system analyst. Quite interesting. Then, why are you interested in becoming system analyst?
Because I think it will be interesting to work how they working with pay attention to system that already made and find solution if something happen to a system. And because I like to pay attention to a detail, that's why I want to become a system analyst.
Oh, yes, understandable. So in this case, you already like in terms of analyzing and want to explore it again, especially in informatic technology. Is that true?
That's right. Also because I've been dreaming to become a system analyst since I was in senior high school.
Oh, I see. Okay. We ask Haki, still with the same question. What do you want to be in the future, and what is the reason?
Okay, the question is, why do I want to be in the future? If we talk about the occupation, of course, I want to be a programmer in a famous company. And also, I want to be someone who is really expert in this IT center. But if we are talking about this life, I want to be someone useful for the other.
Oh yes, I understand. For the reason Haki and Ajeng are the same, right? Starting from a hobby or preference and are interested in exploring it further. Yes.
Yes, that's right.
Well, maybe for the next question like this. We know that job has a different prospect depending on the type of work and the circumstance at the time. Now, for the job you want in the future, what are the prospects in the future? Maybe Haki can answer it first.
Okay. How about the prospect of the work in the future? Of course, beside being a programmer is my dream. To be a programmer in the future is very promising job opportunities because there are so many companies which are require some expert programmers to develop their company. So the job prospect of the programmer is so welcome.
Yes. then it means that the competition is this job is quite high. As we know, in various university majoring in informatic technology, the interest is quite high. Are you sure you can compete with other people in this field?
Yeah, I know that the competition in this job is so strict because we have to compete with the other participants from common universities and area from whom perhaps they are better than me in education. But I'm not really looking into that thing. I only focus on my skill and strength I had. I will strive to do the best until I get my position.
Yes, good answer from Haki. Now, how about Ajeng? What are the prospects in the future? What kind of job do you want?
In the beginning, I found out that in Indonesia, IT experts still lack, and in fact, IT expert will very needed in the future because the border of the field job.
Okay, thank you for the answer. The next question may be still related to Haki and Ajeng answer about the importance informatic technology in the future. So, what do you think in the future? What kind of informatic technology field will it be? Maybe Ajeng can answer it first.
Even now, technology are massively developed, and in the future, I think it will more again innovation that happen.
Well, the answer is short and clear, yes. It is true that according to research every year, technology development, especially in informatic technology, will continue to grow. It's just that we as users should be able to make most of it. For Haki, do you have your own opinion in this case?
Yes, I think there will be so many things which will be more developed in the future, specifically in IT sector, because there must be development technology which are developed by the scientist expert later. There will be no end in developing the technology. Maybe what we can't thing.
Oh yes, an interesting opinion from Haki. Maybe the next question is still related to the future. What do you want to make or design in the future, especially in informatic technology? Maybe Haki can answer it.
Okay. What do I want to design or create in the future related to computer science or IT? I want to create a technology in the future. This technology is called hologram, which this technology will be useful for human being. I want to build a hologram so that people could meet someone abroad like he is talking in front of him. Right.
Wow, it's very interesting. What is explained by Haki about what he wants to do in the future, especially in informatic technology and science. Now, how about Ajeng himself?
Honestly, I don't really know, but summary, I want to make a kind of software that will be useful and helpful for human life in the future.
Okay, that's all the answer from Ajang. Now, for last question. Maybe there are tips for the people out there who want to try to explore the informatic technology. What should be prepared or other tips? Maybe Ajang can answer.
In my opinion, I think they can start with learning the basic of informatics and then learning creativity, patience, pay attention, and teamwork because it will be useful when learning informatics.
How about Haki?
The most important thing to be prepared in IT sector are two, based on my opinion. There are skill and also mentality. Yes.
Oh yes, good answer from Ajeng and Haki. Those are some tips from Ajeng and Haki. Maybe friends are interested in exploring in informatic technology and science field. Now we are at the end of the event. Yes, I thank the speakers who have taken the time to answer some of my questions. The conclusion of this meeting is progress of technology in today's in very fast and especially in the future, of course. The job opportunities in this field are getting wider. The prospects are also good. It's just that we have to be able to adapt to current development. Hopefully, we can meet another time. I am Adu Fatur Rahman. Please say goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.